Welcome to my channel. Do you understand English but become nervous when it's time to speak? What if the biggest problem is not your English level, but your confidence? Stay till the end, because today I will show you simple ways to build confidence in English speaking, even if you are a complete beginner. Chapter 1: Why most learners lack confidence in English speaking. Many English learners understand grammar, know vocabulary, and can even read English well. But when it is time to speak, they become nervous and silent. Why does this happen? The biggest reason is fear. Many learners are afraid of making mistakes. They worry that people will laugh at them or judge their pronunciation. Because of this fear, they avoid speaking English whenever possible. Another reason is lack of practice. Some learners spend years studying books and grammar rules, but they rarely speak English. As a result, they know English in their minds but cannot use it confidently in conversations. Many learners also compare themselves with fluent speakers. They watch videos online and think, my English is not good enough. But remember this powerful truth: confidence is not something people are born with. Confidence is something they build. Imagine a student who knows the answer in class but stays silent because of fear. The problem is not lack of knowledge. The problem is lack of confidence. And confidence does not come before speaking. Confidence grows because of speaking. Every time you speak English, even if you make mistakes, your fear becomes a little smaller. Every sentence you speak is a step forward. Mistakes are not proof that you are failing. Mistakes are proof that you are learning. So stop waiting for perfect English before you start speaking, because the more you speak, the more confident you become. But now comes an important question. What simple daily habits can help beginners build confidence in English speaking faster? That is exactly what we will talk about in the next chapter. Chapter 2: Simple Daily Habits to Build Speaking Confidence. Now let's talk about simple daily habits that can help you build confidence in English speaking. The first habit is speaking English aloud every day. Many learners read English silently, but they rarely speak it. If you want to become confident, your mouth must practice English, not just your brain. Start with simple sentences such as, I am learning English. Today is a beautiful day. Or, I am going to the market. Speak these sentences clearly and confidently. The second habit is reading aloud. Take a short English paragraph, story, or conversation and read it with a loud voice. This improves pronunciation, fluency, and confidence at the same time. Another powerful method is using a mirror. Stand in front of a mirror and speak English for a few minutes every day. This helps you become comfortable hearing your own voice and reduces nervousness. You can also record your voice on your phone. Listen to yourself and notice areas where you can improve. Over time, you will hear your progress and feel more confident. And remember this important truth: you do not need perfect grammar to start speaking English. Many learners spend years studying grammar but very little time speaking. As a result, they know the rules but cannot communicate confidently. Another helpful habit is repetition. Repeat useful English sentences again and again until they feel natural. Repetition helps your brain remember sentence patterns and improves speaking speed. Even 10 minutes of speaking practice every day can create big changes over time. Small daily improvements lead to big results. But speaking confidence does not come only from speaking practice. Listening also plays a very important role. How does listening help you become a more confident English speaker? That is exactly what we will talk about in the next chapter. Chapter 3: How Listening Improves Confidence and Fluency. Now, let's talk about one of the most powerful tools for improving English speaking confidence: to listening. Many learners want to speak English fluently, but they do not spend enough time listening to English. This is a big mistake. Remember this powerful truth: good speaking starts with good listening. When you listen to English regularly, your brain becomes familiar with English sounds, pronunciation, sentence patterns, and speaking rhythm. The more English you hear, the less strange it feels. Start by listening to simple English conversations, beginner friendly videos, short stories, or podcasts. Choose content that you can understand easily. Do not worry if you cannot understand every word. Focus on understanding the main idea and getting used to the sound of English. Another powerful technique is called shadowing. Listen to a short sentence and repeat it immediately after the speaker. Try to copy the pronunciation, tone, and rhythm. This method helps you sound more natural and improves your speaking confidence. At first, you may feel slow or uncomfortable, but with daily practice, you will notice improvement. Imagine this moment: someone speaks English to you, and instead of feeling nervous, you understand the conversation and respond naturally. That confidence comes from regular listening and speaking practice. Another important benefit of listening is pronunciation improvement. When you hear words spoken correctly again and again, your brain learns how English should sound, and over time, your own pronunciation becomes clearer. So never underestimate the power of listening, because every minute you spend listening is helping you become a more confident speaker. But there is one final secret to building lasting confidence: your mindset. That is exactly what we will talk about in the next chapter. Chapter 4: How to Develop a Confident English Speaking Mindset. Now comes the final and most important part of building confidence in English speaking: your mindset. Many learners think confidence appears suddenly one day, but that is not true. Confidence is built little by little through daily action. The first thing you must do is stop chasing perfection. Many people refuse to speak English because they want perfect grammar, perfect pronunciation, and perfect sentences. But perfection is not the goal. Communication is the goal. Remember this powerful truth: mistakes are proof of learning, not proof of failure. Every fluent English speaker has made thousands of mistakes during their learning journey. The difference is that they did not stop practicing. Another important thing is patience. Learning English is a journey, not a race. Some days you will improve quickly. Other days progress may feel slow. Keep going anyway. Small daily efforts create big results over time. Imagine a learner who practices English for just a few minutes every day. At first, they feel nervous and uncertain, but after weeks and months of practice, something amazing happens. They begin speaking more naturally. They stop worrying about every mistake. They start enjoying conversations in English. One day, they realize that speaking English no longer scares them. That moment is powerful, and it happens because they stayed consistent. Remember this important insight: fluency is built one sentence at a time. You do not need to be perfect. You only need to keep practicing. Believe in yourself, speak whenever you have the opportunity, and do not let fear control your progress. Because confidence is not something you wait for. Confidence is something you build. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. Tell me what makes you nervous while speaking English. I read every comment and I will help you. Keep practicing, keep improving, and I will see you in the next video.